How to fix iPhone call failed issues in iOS. So here on the bottom part, you will see my phone icon there. Just tap on that. And if you'll try to call someone, it's actually shut down directly, or like you cannot call anyone. So maybe there's a problem to your iOS there. Then what you want to do here is to, of course, check your settings, then tap on your software update available here. And then make sure that you have downloaded the recent iOS 16, install everything, and then try to call again. And if it still doesn't work, then what I want you to do next is here to go to your general and go directly to scroll all the way down up until you see transfer or reset iPhone there, and tap on reset here. Tap on reset all settings. Now here it will ask for your password and confirmation to really, if you really want to reset all your settings there, to actually refresh the phone since it's newly updated. Now, if it still doesn't work, what I want you to do next is to actually restart your phone here. So just slide it to power off, then power it on again. And basically that is how you fix iPhone call failed issues in iOS. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.